Hello friends, welcome back, and if you are new to our channel, thank you for stopping by. Let's start today's short plant video with this beautiful maple ivy. I have finally shifted it to a bigger pot, a decent one, and also have put in a stick. Now let's see how it does. Actually, I have no complaints about the plant, but it was a bit too small for it. Now that's my bougainvillea in the background. This is the color. This is the bloom that it has given me this year, and yes, look at it. How beautiful the colors are. And that's the other plant. Actually, I have two plants out there, two pots of bougainvilleas, and this is the white one. Actually, every time it blooms, every time it keeps changing colors. Back to my ivy again. Actually, it was in a small tiny plastic pot. That is the reason I shifted it to a bigger one, and hope so it does well and looks happy. Now here is my beautiful aglaonema. Look at the color. What a pretty color it is. The underside is of the lighter shade, and on the top it is bright red. It's the same plant which has given up a new shoot, and that too has become big. This is it, and I love this plant. And the best time to propagate aglaonemas are during the monsoon, because that's the time they give a lot of aerial roots here and there, the stem. This is an interesting pot which has the chrysanthemum. Look at the buds, how pretty it looks, how chubby. And this particular pot has the painted lady or the wandering Jew growing along with it. Let me show you. Yes, let me zoom. This is how she looks. Beautiful and delicate. See, and both look equally happy sharing the space. More sun, more intense the color is going to get of this painted lady. And this is the bud. Look at the chubbiness. Oh my god. A tiny pot, and it already has quite a number of buds. More tiny buds are there. Now finally, this is how my variegated spathiphyllum or the peace lily looks. It looks indeed happy after it has been moved to a bigger pot after ages, and maybe this rainy season it's going to bloom. Well, this is the first pot of chrysanthemum that has bloomed under my care. A beautiful color, beautiful. And I think it is quite an uncommon one, at least for me. And I love the shade. I like the size of the flowers. Beautiful. Now here is how my Echeveria raindrop looks. Yes, this I had bought last year from the flower show, and that's the leaf of a dollar plant that I have planted, and yes, it has rooted. That's the best part. This is the Echeveria, how it's looking right now. Hope it will look better in the coming days. These are a few of my Echeveria that's with me after the monsoon has killed about 90% of my succulents. This is the Melaco, Echeveria Melaco, which has been shifted to this pot. Looks quite unhappy, but very soon it's going to turn around. Now this is my string of hearts. Yes, it looks extremely happy. It is spreading love here and there. Thank you, my little one. Now moving to my Hawatia, which has taken up all the space in the flower pot. So thank you, my dear friends, for staying till the end. If you all have found the video interesting, to give a thumbs up, share it with your friends and family members. If you are new to our channel, do consider subscribing and stay tuned for interesting videos. So till we meet again, it's bye for today.